Hello everyone, you're welcome to Yvonne Winifred UG. Today we are making this beautiful corset belt, and it's from a denim fabric or some old jeans that I got the fabric from, and it's what we're making. So if you really want to see how everything came into place, you have to watch the video till the end. You will learn a lot of things. So let us start. So this is the old jeans or pair of jeans that I'm getting my fabric from. So I'm just going to cut everything from here, and I want my width to be about 6 inches, and the length, guys, it's just according to the waist measurement. You can remove about 2 inches, but in this case I just consider the waist measurement because I needed some allowances also on one end of the fabric, because the other end is finished, as you see, along the hemline of this trouser. So guys, if you want a little bit of more inches, you can use another side that has more fabric, but that is what I'm going to be using. So after cutting the fabric that is needed, this is what we have. And by the way, guys, this jean has some stretchy properties. So this side is already hemmed, and I'm just going to measure and see the width of that hem, and now I'm going to do the same even onto this side. I have to finish it properly. So it was a little bit more than half an inch, and I just double folded on this side, and I'm going to run a straight stitch, and that will be all. The ends will be finished, and I will be folding my belt this way, like this. This opening will be in the middle, and the sides, guys, I want to shape them a little bit, kind of curve them. So what I'm going to do, let me first pin this side very properly like this, and after there, guys, remember we are folding in just like this, and the opening can be at the front or at the side, at the back. So other sides, guys, I'm just going to curve it a little bit towards the inside part. I'm curving it in like that, or you just measure half an inch in the middle, then you curve out like that, and I'll be still sewing along that part. And after all the sewing, this is what I have. Yes, so that is where I've sewn, and I'm not going to cut that out. I'm just going to leave it. So this is what I have. This is the belt so far. So guys, we want to create a distress design along the ends. So I'm going to mark off the length or the width of where I want that distress to stop. So you can mark about half an inch or close to half an inch everywhere, like at the front, at the back, everywhere. And then we are going to be removing the threads simply like this, so that we create that nice finish. To style it a little bit more, giving it a nice finished look. So you can use your fingers, and also you can grab a pin and use that. And all the threads that you're removing, guys, you have to cut them off. So this is what I'm doing. As you see, I have to remove these threads up to the length that I want, or up to the width, guys. I think that is the width that I have, and I'm going to do that at the top and even at the bottom. And after some time, this is what I have. So I told you, you have to cut off all these threads because they are unwanted right now. We put them away. And guys, you have to make sure that your threads do not thread out, if that word is there. Anyways, so I'm doing the same even this other side, and everything has to be uniform like that. So I'm going to do the same on all sides, everywhere that I want that distressed look, and afterwards this is what I have. So you can do more, you can do that, is also kind of enough. Do what you really want. So this is how it looks like so far, and I think it is beautiful. So now guys, I'm going to create some holes where I'll be passing the string. But if you don't want to use a string, you can use a zipper. So I marked where I want my holes to be. It is 1 inch from each other. And if you want to use a zipper, please use a zipper that opens up into two, guys, like this. It opens up into two. That is how easily you will be able to put your belt on. So since we are going to use a string, you can make this string, you can sew it up, you can use a shoelace, like you can buy one, just use what you have. So what I'm going to do, guys, where I marked the places where my holes are supposed to be, I'm folding in the allowance, kind of the belt the zipper allowance, and I'm folding it into two like this, and I'm making some cuts on either sides. It is a simple small cut. Then I'm pushing my scissor through so that that hole is created. If you have a machine that makes holes, use that. It will look very, very nice, but I just used this because that is what is available to me. So I'm going to fold in the zipper allowance on either sides, and I make a small cut, then pass through one part of the scissors so that I enlarge that hole. And after all that, now I can pass my string. I used a gray string. You can use whatever string that is available to you. You can make one still in this same jeans fabric, or like you can just grab any fabric and fold it into two. You create some nice string. So I'm starting from up, and guys, as I was passing the string, I realized that I would have started about, at least I would have left like half an inch from the top, then I started my holes from there. But I started 1 inch, and it was kind of open, as you'll be seeing in later on. But please start about half an inch. That is where you should be starting to place your holes, even at the bottom. From the top, leave half an inch, then you start making your holes. Even at the bottom, make sure that the holes are like really many to give you a nice look. So guys, after everything, this is what I have, and it is a nice corset belt. You can make yours within 2-3 hours or even an hour, and you'll be good to go. So this is how I styled it on this kind of a t-shirt, and that is how it looks like. You can make as many as you can in different denim colors, and style them up, and I'm so sure you will look so beautiful. Yeah, that is how it looks like. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and also like this video to support the channel. See you.